Hello, this is Costas, and to this video, I'm gonna show you um, one more great addition. It's the WP Sync post to multiple sites AI SEO. In fact, what this great plugins does, okay, it gets your post that you're gonna, um, you know, you have multiple sites and you want to send your post and to sync your post with um, with other sites. Okay, uh, most affiliate uh, pals and people that they work as affiliate with companies, they want to send their post to other websites, even when they are cooperating with other people or when they have their own websites and they want to push their articles to multiple sites to gain backlinks. This plugin does something very simple. It gets your post to all the other websites, and I'm gonna show you right away over here. You see, when I'm gonna hit post, all those websites are gonna be updated. Hot Deal and the Ibizu and the F Spirits, it's gonna be updated, and the Infogate hosting, it's gonna be updated. The Infogate for all EU is gonna be updated automatically, and the Affiliate Pal, the app with marketing tools, it's gonna be updated too. What is gonna be done as an extra um, option and feature? It's gonna be this AI, because you can add your OpenAI API key to the plugin. AI is gonna grab the uh, the article from each of those websites, and I mean from each of those websites, because you're gonna have to install, as I'm gonna show you here, let's say to this one, that's another site. You're gonna have to install the same plugin, okay, and to have this enabled. So the one site that is gonna capture and get the article is gonna automatically recreate. As you can see, it's gonna rewrite the title automatically using AI and generate a clean, self-friendly slug. Okay, it's gonna change even the slug. It's gonna create a SEO-focused post expert. Okay, that's the summary for imported content automatically. Here you can see that we can select if we want the post and the expert to become long or to keep the normal length of less than 150 characters. And at the same time, we can select this checkbox here. It's gonna create a meta description under 150 characters using AI, and it's gonna create even an AI keyword research. It's gonna research keywords for this article, and it's gonna set three main SEO keywords. Okay, so another option that it's gonna be done, it's gonna be the AI auto tagging. What's gonna do that? It's gonna automatically create and assign one relevant tag based on the content, and that all those stuff, it's gonna happen to all those sites that you have already connected just by one and single click. Okay, when you just save the your post, all those stuff, it's gonna happen at the same time, syncing your to the other websites. Remember, because all those changes are happening, it's clever to be sure, before you just click save to the main website, that you have everything set and correct before you click the save. I'm gonna show you, because when you click to add the post, you're gonna have to the right side the option when you're ready to click all those websites and just click save, so that all the other websites are gonna be updated. In case you're not ready and you think that uh, uh, you need to make a lot of changes to the initial post, it's gonna be clever not to do any kind of those changes and just correct and prepare your website. You see here, to this website, I have already connected Hotel and Ibizu. If I'm not selecting those and click publish, nothing is going to happen to the other websites. The only thing is going to happen, it's going to be saved to my main website. So remember, before you save to send the main post and rewritten the title, the slug, and add the tags and keywords, just be prepared for the main post and be sure that your main post is completely correct and ready to go. Okay. So this plugin, it's gonna do the whole trick for you, and it's gonna give you the ability to save tons of time. Imagine if you have 10 or 20 websites that you want to update with the same post, and you want to create all these backlinks, and you don't want to go to connect to each one of those and change the expert and change the excerpt. In fact, as it says inside the WordPress, to change the keywords, to change the tags, or to change the title, and in fact to change the slugs. I used to have all those things in snippets and trying to change them automatically every time that I was changing the title. But using this advanced plugin, you have everything automatically prepared and get ready for you. Thank you very much for watching this video. You're gonna find this amazing plugin to fspirits.com, and you're gonna see a lot of other plugins, and stay tuned to this amazing channel, and I will keep you updated with many very uh, very useful and interesting plugins, but at the same time, I showcase a lot of platforms and AI systems, and I'm gonna show you a lot of how to create many things and how to do many other stuff that before you buy any of those plugins or all those platforms that are outside there, and usually they use AI to accomplish everything. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I wish you the best, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.